The most expensive Leatherman out so far. We've already looked at the skeleton one. It was nice. But apparently this bad boy blows it away. We're not even gonna really talk about the sheath. It's a nice sheath, yes, but oh, what the heck? I didn't even know this was in there. Look at that. A plate for all your bits. It is super thin. I guess if you had to carry it around, it wouldn't be that bad. But anyways, now this is pretty cool. Last time I was complaining, talking about how stiff this was. This one, oh, it's tough, but as soon as it, raw, look at that flick. Holy cow. Oh, let's get to work. Besides just how incredibly smooth that is, which is beautiful, we're gonna start with not the knife side, sorry. File, screwdriver, can opener looking thing. This is like a teeny tiny little screwdriver. There's a flathead on the other side, but teeny tiny. Scissors function pretty nicely. Now there's a lock on this that's gonna lock each and every single one of these. As soon as you open it up, it's gonna lock into place. Now it's this little back plate right here. You're just gonna push back on it and it'll let you be able to unlock it. A saw, pretty feisty looking sucker. Then you're gonna have your MagnaCut blade. MagnaCut, we're gonna get into that. MagnaCut is one heck of a knife steel. Then you have your other can opener, bottle opener combo. This is more of just punching holes in cans. All those bits inside there right here. It doesn't have as feisty of a lock as this one. So the last one I did actually had a button lock, or not really button, but it had a back lock that you push down and then you can take this out. Slide it back in and it locks into place. Now this one is just more of a set in place. It's got a pretty good grip, but as far as I know, it doesn't have an actual lock. I have to look into that one too. Whenever you open it, these cutter heads are actually replaceable, so you can take out that screw right there and be able to replace these cutter heads if they start to wear down on you. You got your standard pliers. Now they do function and they're incredibly smooth. Now whenever you're done with it, you can easily just collapse it and then it locks into place. It's got like these magnets to be able to hold it down, but whenever you're ready, it flicks right open. That is nice. That's my favorite thing so far. So we got this all set up. Let's test out how sharp this is. 145, which is good. I already had 5 on there, so it could even just be 140 even, roughly in that range. So now, is this knife worth that price range? Well, first off, you got a beautiful knife steel. You got beautiful tools. You also got this beautiful flick action, which you can't beat. Sorry, buddy. You are a good one, but definitely going above and beyond with this. Now, on top of that, MagnaCut steel, beautiful thing. All the other tools seem to be working good. The locking mechanism works perfect. Okay, flick action, locks into place nicely. It's nice and smooth. So yeah, if you're gonna get a Leatherman and you have the money, I would say might as well go for the big boy. Thanks for watching. Let's check out another knife in another video.